I'm Sara Staffaroni. I'm the head of content at GetFeedback by SurveyMonkey and also the host of the YouTube series Simplifying CX. I became aware of Jeannie about 2 years ago when I started doing some research on CX influencers, and her name just kept popping up everywhere I looked. So it was a no-brainer to reach out to her and see if she was interested in partnering with me on content and thought leadership. My initial expectations when I started working with Jeannie was just to have an expert in the industry just provide a fresh take on a specific topic. And she just exceeded those expectations. So Jeannie has been part of our content campaigns, our quarterly content campaigns for almost 2 years now. And those usually entail written content like long form guides, as well as shorter content like blog posts. And she also helped coach me when we first started creating our CX course scripts. Now Jeannie has done 2 virtual CX classes with us, and she's just been amazing. I got an email from our videographer who said that he was extremely impressed with her professionalism, her ability to literally just nail it the first round, which is incredible to me. So she's just been an amazing partner for every single type of content we've done. I recommend working with Jeannie because first, she can just get the job done. Whatever you're asking her to do. She's just smart and efficient. And she's extremely professional, but also extremely friendly and warm. She's just a great person. So she's a combination of both worlds. Like, she's a great human being, and she's also very good at what she does. So you can't really ask for a better partner in the CX space as well as in the content space, where there's just so many ways that it could go wrong. I just love Jeannie. She's a safe bet. You know, you can rely on her in whatever you're doing.